What's up, designers? In this video, we're going to be parlaying Juna from Detour Shirts off of his top 10 list he does on Tuesday. This one's from July 20th. I chose Think Outside, No Box Required. It's an outdoor design for exploring, hiking. I thought it'd be really fun to do, and this is the end product. We get to put our designs on placeit.net, have these mock-ups done. If you have zero skills, you don't know Photoshop or Affinity Design, I suggest the Over app because you can actually take the graphics that they have in there, put the text in there, arc the text also, and then put them as PNGs on, RedBubble, merch by Amazon. We'll do videos every week, so like and subscribe. When they come out with new videos on top 10 niches, we're going to parlay the research that they did and apply it and put our own twist on the designs. So I hope you like this video. Alright, let's get into it. This is inside the Over app. You always want to start with 4500 by 5400. It's the pixel size that they ask for in RedBubble and merch by Amazon. This is the graphics that they have built in to the Over app, and I really like what they have here with the Nordicus. I think that's how you say it. The graphics that they have, I already looked at some of them, and I had those saved, but we're gonna grab one specifically for Think Outside, No Box Required. Because it's a box, I would probably go towards the circle ones and design around that. White on white, you can't really see it, so we're going to hide this and size it. Remember, this is going to be the graphic on the front of the chest, and we're going to make room for the text itself. So I'll type out Think Outside. It's going to be at the very top here, and you get to widen it and make the size whatever you'd like it to be. That yellow is the center line for the vertical and the horizontal, just in case you're doing any rotations, but this design specifically is just going to be horizontal, no angles. And that was such an ugly font. I'm going to choose something that's more like nature type design. Some of these don't make sense, but this one has forest on there too, so let's see. It looks okay for now, so just for placement and visual, we'll leave it at that. A lot of space, so we're going to try to utilize the whole graphic printing space, make that larger. I kind of like the birds overlapping there, but it won't make sense if it has the same color. It's kind of sloppy, so we'll definitely move that. And now we're gonna put the box not required. This is the same font, but we're gonna change it to give it a little twist and make it a little bit more appealing. So let's choose a fun one here. This one looks nice, but we might have to not use all caps. But we're going to follow the arc of the tree line. Almost looks like a moon. But this is the lowercase, and we're going to use the styling and the curve. See what looks appealing. If you ever design and you want to see how it might look, squint your eyes. It kind of helps you visualize a little bit, because then when I squint my eyes, I can tell that that arc is not making sense. This is what it looked like with on a black shirt, as opposed to being the transparent background. The birds are kind of lost in there, so we're gonna lower it. And then of course the bottom text. Let's choose this one. It was right next to the font was right next to it, so we're gonna try it. This one looks a little nicer, but maybe not all cap or lowercase, so I'll make it all caps. This one looks better. So we're gonna try to center everything. This one, I'm not really happy with that font, so I saw one earlier when I was looking for the bottom font, so I'm gonna try to find it again. And remember, all of these fonts are built into the Over app, and I have the paid subscription, so I have access to all of these, and you could use it actually on shirts to resell. Here's that one. This one looks a little bit cleaner, almost similar when it's capitalized, but it really stands out, I think. Get the bird more clearance there. Tell me what you think in the comments. I kind of like this one. There is some empty space here that I'm going to try to fill, just so that it could look a little bit more solid. I'm thinking about stars right off the top of my head, so I think I'm going to do that. Bullet points, circles maybe would have worked out too, but let's see what kind of graphics they have. This is nice. Look like ninja stars almost, but I'm going to put it in front and behind. So this is going to be behind to fill in that empty space there. And like I said, 0 design skills. You could actually duplicate this and put it on the other side. I want it to be, symmetric, so I'm going to duplicate it and just move it over to the side. You could rotate it. I rotated it wrong, so now it's a puzzle. Nope. It's like a full 360. And then it's a little bit high over at the end, so I'm going to maybe place it almost middle, right there. I think I like that. Fills in that negative space. A little different. It pops a little bit better. But yeah, let me know what you think. What would you have put on there? Dashes, more trees, more birds. But I think I like the stars here. There we go. And of course, when they shop on RedBubble, they could select the shirt color. This is just to preview what it would look like. I think it looks really nice. In the short amount of time of designing and the free research that we got from Juna, you could definitely do this on your own. Maybe even when you get more used to using Over, you could probably do this in 10 minutes flat. But we're going to save it as a PNG, and this is the end result on RedBubble. Always adjusting, always pressing horizontal. You always want to make it centered. And I like to use the sticker because a lot of people on RedBubble shop for stickers. So here it is. That was the title. Something that they could search by. We used the same tags that Juna had suggested. Here's the different colors that they have, which is nice. And the sticker. Cell phone cases. Some of those cell phone cases are kind of old, but they still sell them. And it's print on demand, so it'll get printed once they order it.